It is me, Ibrahim, English learner, you know it. So today it is Friday and it is my off day because I'm a tutor teacher. I teach students. So in Friday I get time. So in this day I come in a very empty place where there is no one be there. That place I go and I try to practice English. So today I've come a place. If you notice, it is an amazing place. Today I've come here and I am sitting there and I am talking in front of mobile. I know that I am not a good speaker in English and I make mistake, but yeah, basically my purpose is making video because if I make video I can check it where I made mistake. So again and again I would like to say that please, if you want to improve your speaking English, please try to make video as much as possible. It's me, I cannot make video every day. That's why I choose Friday because it is my off day. So Friday I come here or any empty place where there is no one, because it is tough for me, not everyone. It's tough for me when I talk or when I speak in gathering place. I cannot speak, I forget everything. I don't know why. So I try to choose an empty place and I go there and I make video, I practice English. If you notice, it is very windy weather and it is really amazing weather. Okay, if I show you in front of me, look, a beautiful place. So you can say that most of the time why you go beside the paddy field or near the paddy field, cause this is a place where no one come and most of the time it is empty place. So I come here and I practice English. And you know that if I come here I can enjoy the weather, I can enjoy the beauty of nature. So most of the time I come here. So have a good day and take care of yourself. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.